Most people spend way too much time in Excel clicking, dragging, and repeating the same steps again and again. But not anymore. In this video, I will share Excel hacks that will save you hours of work every single week. Flash fill in Excel's screen weapon. If you have a column with full names and you only need first name, then you have to type the first name as example and press Ctrl plus E. Excel instantly recognizes the pattern and fills the entire column for you. Stop dragging your mouse across hundreds of rows. Place your cursor in the first cell and press Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow key. Instantly, Excel highlights the entire column, perfect for large spreadsheets. Want to insert 5 rows at once? Highlight 5 rows, right-click and choose Insert. Excel instantly add 5 blank rows. This will work for columns too. Scrolling down a long sheet and losing your headers? Do not worry, I have a solution. Click on first cell, go to the View tab and choose Freeze Panes. Your headers stay locked and no matter how far you scroll. Do you want to clean the messy data? If you have the duplicate values, highlight your list, go to the data and click on Remove Duplicates and now press OK. In one click, Excel gives you unique values, perfect for cleaning names, emails, or IDs. Here is a trick most people miss. Select a group of numbers in the column and look at the status bar at the bottom of Excel. You will see the sum, average, and count instantly. No formulas needed. Pivot tables are Excel's superpower. Select all the table and go to the Insert Pivot table and drag fields to see totals, comparisons, and insights in seconds. They let you analyze thousands of rows instantly. It will summarize your data and you check one by one. If you want Excel to highlight the important data for you, use conditional formatting. Here, select all the values as I am doing. Now go to the conditional formatting and select greater than and type the value 999. Press OK. All the values that are 1000 and greater than 1000, it will be highlighted. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more Excel tips and Microsoft Office tips, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.